Was it good? Did I behave like I should? Was it fine the way we used to spend our time? Knowing you has been an everlasting thrill, and I love you still. Strong is life, and really hard to sacrifice. This word of mine, to intense withdraw sometimes. Evil words I said when I was really mine were not meant so bad. Walk with me, just turn around and let it be. I have come to guide you all the way. Walk with me, 'cause I have got the key that finally set you free. Time reverse, they're calling from the universe. A world unknown, I have to travel all alone. Left behind is an echo of my mind for anyone to find. Whoa.